Hello guys, welcome to our channel how to get all answers to your how to questions. Today I will be going to discuss how to design the logo in Canva. I will be discussing or showing it this logo, my channel's logo, how I have designed this in Canva. Let's get started. For that you have to open the Canva account. Already I have opened. So just click the size for the logo by clicking here create a design. Here type logo just okay. Here you will be seeing so many logos like event logo, fashion logo t-shirt, anything you can design logo for the purpose means business logo भी हो सकता है, थोड़ी computer logo हो सकता है, किसी और चीज़ लिए logo हो सकता है. So I will be simply going for this logo. Okay, here I will be showing this logo now. So here I have put this image. This image I can show you in elements. If you have not watched the elements video, you can go and watch. I have explained how to use this element picture. Okay, just type here whatever you want to search. Okay, means कि चीज़ जो भी इमेज होना चाहिए थी उस टाइप का तुसी आइकन या फिर उस द नेम इससे सर्च करोगे तो सुनो वो आइकन या फिर वो एलिमेंट इतने आ जाएगा. मीन्स आई विल बी typing question. It is related to I guess question. Let me search. Here there are so many question marks. You can use any of this. Okay, I will be finding. Let me see. Find. Let me change the keyword. I will be I think I have found here question mark. Let me go to graphics. Yeah, I have found this. I have clicked and it will be appeared here. Okay, the color of this I can change from this by clicking this and change. Okay, I will be changing to red. Okay, see, I have designed up to this. Now I have added the text over there. Okay, then placing this at the center and clicking the text, add heading. Okay, here I will be typing how to. Okay, now I will be changing the font of this. I have used the font name Findle. Yeah, see, somewhat like this now. Okay, now I have to change the color. I will be changing the color of this. That's it. Okay, now I have to give the circle shape to this. Okay, for that I will be using circle outline. Okay, here I will be founding this. Now I will be decreasing the size and setting it to increasing and decreasing like this. See, I have designed same logo again for you. Okay, now I will be grouping all the elements together so that it will not drag and drop here and there. Okay, so see, I have fixed the logo and I have made. Now I will be decreasing. See, my logo is ready now I will be downloading from here. Okay, I can go for the transparent. If you are using the pro feature, then you can transparent the background. Otherwise you will be just typing download. Okay, clicking download. Now let's preview this. See, I have made my logo. How to same logo, this one and this one logo same. Okay, so hope you have understood how to make the logo. Firstly, just go create a design and click the logo and logo. Here you have to whatever you want to design, use your creativity and show and type the elements related to this and add elements, add text, change the text, change the font color, etc. In this way you can design logo for your business or business sites or anything else. Thank you so much for listening me. Like, share and comment करना ना भूलियो and please how to questions post कर दीजिए. Thank you so much for listening me.